Stowing the propeller guards for the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Unsnap the clip on each arm and remove the prop guard. Repeat this for the other side. Fold the arms of the DJI Mini 3 Pro, carefully holding the propellers. Remove the battery. Replace the gimbal protector. Put the drone in the case. Now remove the strap from the remote and stow the remote in the case. The prop guards are returned to their original box. Remove the launch pad. That's it.